Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock your HUAWEI Pura 80 Pro without password. Okay, but before we begin, we need to discuss a few things. First thing is, please only try to unlock your phone, in no other case someone else's, because that might be considered as a crime, and that's also unethical. Second thing is that we need to perform a factory reset of our device, and we will lose all of our data. I'm sorry, but that's the only way. If you don't want to lose anything, you don't need to perform that method. You can always try to go, for example, into authorized center, and in that place look for help if you don't want to lose your data. If you want to continue, you can see that my phone is actually locked. And now what to do? We need to power off our device, and we need to perform a factory reset using the recovery mode. To do it, power off your device, start holding power button, and click on power off. Okay, and now to get access into recovery mode, we need to hold power button and volume up button at the same time. Just like that. It's going to take a little bit, so simply be patient. Okay, the logo appeared. Let's keep holding. And we are in the recovery mode. Now, to move around this menu, you can use volume keys. And if you want to confirm the selected option, click the power button, but we can also use our fingers. We need to select clear data. And now factory reset. Now, using your keyboard, we need to type the word yes. And now select factory reset. The process has started, so we need to wait a little. Okay, now select back, restart. And now all we need to do is to wait until the phone turns on, and then we need to go through the setup process. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.